Hey, what's up, my XRP holder? So, what's the prediction of XRP to upcoming day they fails down, and what's the next target of XRP to they can hit it? And what's my opinion? To this is selling time, holding time, or buying time? Exactly, my friend. Everything is very important. And XRP video, please kindly subscribe our YouTube channel. Before I get started this video, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Let's get started the XRP price prediction, my friend. First of all, my friend, for the price prediction, this is important to you see the last 1 hour today go they starting moving up. So congratulations, my friends, they are starting moving up. So this is good news for everyone. 1.04% they starting moving up. Congratulations, XRP holder. XRP holder, if you can see here, the 1.12 USD dollar is the latest price of last 1 hour, my friend. Okay, come here to the 7 days chart. Exactly, the 7 days chart is very important, and here we are do a prediction of XRP, my friend. So this time, if you can see here, my friends, they change occur and negative completely, and after market, my friend, is falls down very badly. Minus 29.68% they fell down. So this is not a just small, my friend. And here is 1.72 USD dollar. But you can, if you remember the last 1 hour, as on 1 point I think 2 USD dollar, my friend. So they are completely fell down, my friend. If you draw this time a first line, you can see here, and a second line is here, my friend. So this point shows these two lines shows, my friend, the first one as resistance line, and the second one you can see here. So this time you can see here, after a fails, they go down again, my friend. You can see here, this is the lowest price. You can see here, from here you can see here the lowest price. The price is 1.1 USD dollar. Oh my god, 1.12, sorry, 1.12. So this is the lowest price, my friend. But here again they go up, my friend. So this is the circulation, if you can see here. After a jump they fails down again, you can see here, and after a fails they take again jump, my friend. If you remember the last 1 hour, the change occurred and positive, so it's mean to definitely they starting moving up. Congratulations, XRP holder, they are starting moving up. So congratulations, after a fails they taking jump. This is good news for XRP holder. My resistance is to they go up in upcoming days. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type information. Okay, what's my opinion, my friend? If they go up in upcoming days, then exactly everybody know to, if you want to buy more, then absolutely this is good time to you buy it or sell it. Okay, so I think this is good time to you buy it, because they go up. So kindly buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of month. Just wait for the end of month. I hope they give you very good profit, my friend. So kindly just only buy and hold. Okay, what's the target of XRP? My friend, the target is 2 USD dollar. Everybody know this. The XRP CEO of XRP especially made this target to they can hit 2 USD dollar. My friend, I hope they hit it at the end of this month. If they're starting moving up, exactly they can hit it. So thanks for watching, XRP holder. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type videos.